Stories from Panchtantra. A wise old bird. Lovely pictures, right? Look at that. So, a wise old bird, deep in the forest, there stood this very tall tree, which with lovely leafy branches like strong arms. And this tree was home to a flock of wild geese. And they all felt very safe there. And there was this wild old bird here, geese. He noticed that there was a small creeper. He told them, "Come on, let's just destroy this." The geese said, why should we do that? He said that soon this creeper is going to will go around the tree and it will become strong and it will be easy for any hunter to get on top of the tree. Okay, so let's just do that. They felt that he's an old bird and always giving knowledge and wisdom and his own experiences, etc. So they did not destroy the creeper, and they forgot in time, over the days, they forgot his warning. And soon enough, when this creeper became strong, there came this hunter who got on top of the tree, and he set the net on the leaves and branches, which could not be seen as such. So when the geese came in the evening, one evening, to settle down, they found themselves all caught in a net. And that's when this old bird, and they started crying. They knew for sure it's sure as death now. When early morning the hunter would come and it would be done for them. So they asked for some advice. The old bird said, "Don't worry. The only thing what one I can think of is, now when the hunter comes tomorrow morning, you'll all pretend to be dead. Don't move." So he'll pick out each bird and throw it down, and wait, all of you wait till the last bird is thrown on the ground. Once every one of the birds are there, just get up and go. Fly away. That's exactly what they did. And all at once, they flapped their wings. The hunter was taken by surprise, and he just stood there staring after the geese. So one should listen to the advice of one who has the experience.